Today student, in this video we will talking about some numericals on the law of conservation of mass, and we know that the law of chemical comparison is given by Anthony and Lavoisier, and law of conservation of mass, the mass can be neither to be created nor to be destroyed, it can be converted one form to another form. And law of constant proportion, during the formation of chemical compounds, the amount of atoms are fixed, amount of proportion are fixed by the mass during the chemical reaction. So on this reference we have also done the some numericals which based on the conservation of law of conservation of mass. Let's see the one question. The question is 12 gram of calcium carbonate. 12 gram of question number 1. 12 gram of calcium carbonate. 12 gram of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. This is our calcium carbonate. It produces after heated, it produces 5.8 gram, 5.28 gram carbon dioxide gas, carbon dioxide gas, and remaining is 6.72 gram calcium oxide is so that these reactions follow the law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. Question is that 12 ग्राम हमारे पास कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट है और हीट करने पे 5.28 ग्राम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस कर देता है, और रिमेनिंग बचता है कितना 6.72 ग्राम कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड रिमेनिंग बचता है, रेजिड्यू बचता है. एंड ये लास्ट में क्वेश्चन सो दैट दीज रिएक्शंस फॉलो द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास. क्या ये रिएक्शन लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास को फॉलो करता है? सो लेट अस सी. Let us done some reaction which is just take. So the calcium carbonate CaCO3 get heated and it broken into calcium oxide and CO2 gas. So our calcium oxide amount is 12 gram. And calcium oxide remaining is 6.72 gram and 5.28 gram carbon dioxide. After addition we will find 280, 6, 11 plus 1, 12. 11 plus 1 will be 12.00 gram. And here is our reactant and here is our product. So amount of product is equal to amount of reactant. In this way we can say that these reactions of calcium carbonate and broken into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, both of the values are same by mass. So 12 gram of calcium carbonate are broken into 6.72 gram in calcium chloride and 5.28 gram carbon dioxide. After the addition, we will find the 12 gram of product and which is equal to the reactant. In this way, this reaction follow the law of conservation of mass. So, it is stated by the law of conservation of mass. The mass can be neither to be created nor to be destroyed. It remains conserved during the chemical reaction. So, after it, this is a very simple calculation. And let's do one more. Let's do another type of question, which is hydrogen and oxygen combined in the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen combined in the ratio of 1:8 by mass to form water. What mass of oxygen gas would be required to react? Gas would be required to react with 3 gram of hydrogen gas. 3 gram of hydrogen gas. Let's understand the question and then we will give solution. So the question is hydrogen and oxygen combined in the ratio of 1:8 by mass to form water. What mass of oxygen gas would be required with the 3 gram of hydrogen gas? So we know that 1 gram of hydrogen is required 8 gram oxygen to form 1 water molecule. 1 water molecule. So 3 gram hydrogen is required. It will be H2 will react with combine 8 into 3, which is 24 gram oxygen. 24 gram oxygen would be required to react with, not completely with 3 gram of hydrogen gas. So I repeat again, very simple question, which is the hydrogen and oxygen combined in their ratio 1:8. 1:8 के रेशियो में हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन गैस कंबाइन करते हैं और 1 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म करते हैं. दूसरा ये कि व्हाट मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन गैस वुड बी रिक्वायर्ड टू द 3 ग्राम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम और हाइड्रोजन गैस. तो 1 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन गैस 8 ग्राम रिक्वायर करता है 1 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के लिए, तो 3 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन कितना रिक्वायर करेगा, तो 3 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन will react with combine to 8 into 3 will 24 oxygen, 24 gram oxygen will be required to react the 3 gram of hydrogen gas. Next, 5.3 gram of sodium carbonate Na2CO3 react with 6 gram ethanoic acid CS3COOH solution, ethanoic acid solution Na2. 5.3 gram sodium carbonate react with 6 gram ethanoic acid or acetic acid. The product where 2 gram of carbon dioxide, the product where 2.2 gram of carbon dioxide and 0.9 gram
and the students were not able to realize the
of water and 8 point
I have tried
and
to be good,
8
for
point
I know that I should.
2 gram
That's the prayer
sodium ethanoic
for the
acid.
hand
Sodium
of the day.
sodium
Oh, and dear,
CO.
hear my prayer. Keep me in thy love.
So we'll find ethanoic
information to all the students. All the students are reminded that as is
So the student, for the production of sodium acetate, sodium ethanoic solution, so that these observations are agreement with the law. So student, this solution, these equations, so that these observations are agreement with the law of conservation of mass. So I will hint to you, and you will able to do that. So sodium carbonate, sodium Na2CO3, sodium carbonate react with 6 gram of sodium ethanoic acid, which is CS3COOH, which give sodium ethonate plus carbon dioxide plus water. I will hint to you also. Sodium carbonate कितना है 5.3 gram and 6 gram क्या है आपका ethanoic acid है 6 gram and solution of the product where 2.2 gram carbon dioxide, so 2.2 gram carbon dioxide and 0.9 gram water, 0.9 gram water, 0.9 gram water and 8.2 gram sodium ethonate, 8.2 gram sodium ethonate. So after count them reactant and count them product. You will be, if the amount of product will equal to the amount of reactant, it will be your reaction, your chemical reaction, your observation is follow the law or agree the law of conservation of mass. It is homework to you.